Ngisathanda kuthola umbiko la uKigen Dolly, the former Kaizer Chiefs player, the former Mamelodi Sundowns player, usejoyine iTS Galaxy FC. This comes after uKigen Dolly aspende iviki neTS Galaxy etrainer nayo team. Useyi-permanent player. Before uKigen Dolly ajoyine iTS Galaxy, uke watraina neSuperSport United. There were rumors that were circulating ashoyo ukuthi ngenzeka ijoin iSuperSport United. Maybe the deal fell through because SuperSport United bebebaningi abadlali befuna ukubathenga because their main priority was to sign a new striker. So bas-announce-ke istriker sabo okuSamir Nogovic yabo. Maybe I would say ababanga nawo ama-fans ukuthi bathole ama-services omdlalo njengoKigen Dolly because uKigen Dolly njengoba sazi sonke une-quality and require imali yabo. So Kevin Hunt, I'm sure ubonile usinah man. Ngcono sithathe umdlali esimdinga kakhulu oyi-striker because uBradley Grobler akekho. Ulimele uGrobler mfethu. Njobe elimele na 6 months, so they need striker balanda uSamir Nogovic, balanda nale yantshebe leya. So uKigen Dolly wayithola esejoyina iTS Galaxy. I wouldn't say iTS Galaxy team ebheda. iTS Galaxy inawo ithi ngisho iTS Galaxy inawo ama chances ukuthi ibe phezulu ku top 8 yabo this season. Yize beqale kambi and ucoach wabo ehambile wa resign wayale kwiYanga SC, but I think this is a good choice for iTS Galaxy FC to get umdlali one quality kanje yabo njengoKigen Dolly because 2 seasons ago if I'm not mistaken balanda uBernard Parker from iKaizer Chiefs as a free agent. Manje sebezolanda uKigen Dolly yabo balethe experience eteamini kwisquad izokhombisa ingane ezincane ukuthi yabo kumele kudlalwe kanjani bayiphathe kanjani abafana abancane sayidinga into ekanje yabo iteam neteam kumele benalowo mdlali loyo omdala. I hope umfana angeze aba nama injuries because we know ukuthi uKigen Dolly umuntu ojwayele ukuba nama injury yabo. Engathi angaba nendlela enhle. Nibona kuyisigning enjani le for iTS Galaxy? Is it a good signing or is it a bad signing? uKigen Dolly sizothola nje imali yempesheni.